How's it going, guys? If you guys can't seem to figure out how to do split screen on Uber and Lyft, and it just keeps showing up like this on like an iPhone type screen, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. I know a lot of people have told me that it kind of changed with a new update, and I just want to make a new video for like 2025, 2026, just to kind of let you guys know how to do it. So what you're going to do is I'll go back here. All you have to do is look up Stage, STAGE, Manager, MANAGER. It's just Stage Manager. You'll hit Stage Manager there. I'm actually already here. And this is where you can kind of set up how you want your split screen to be, or if you want windowed apps. This is what's new and what changed in like the new update on the new iPad OS. So you'll want to hit windowed apps, and actually for Uber and Lyft, just to make it a little cleaner, I'm gonna do Stage Manager, and you can kind of set up how you want some shortcuts to be. There's also a lot of different shortcuts that you can do using an iPad in your car. I kind of call it like iPad CarPlay, but that can be another conversation for another time. But this is how you do it here. And let me show you guys an easier way to do this, because a lot of times I don't want to stay on Stage Manager, because a lot of times the apps will be different. Like it'll just load like that with everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stay on the full screen apps like a normal iPad. I'm going to hit the plus sign here and add a control right down here. And I'm just going to look up Stage. Maybe it's, let me look at what this is called. It looks like that one. Maybe because I already have it up, it won't let me do it. But you can easily do, let's look here, right here. You'll want to look for multitasking. It's right under utilities. So just, and it should look like that with 3 dots on the side with the square, and just hit anywhere to kind of make it good. And then you'll hit that multitasking, and if you hold it, it'll ask you if you want windowed apps or Stage Manager. And with Uber and Lyft split screen, you can do either one you want. So I can do it both ways for this video too, just for people who want it, because maybe some people don't have windowed apps. But I'll do Stage Manager first. So I'm gonna hit Uber. Yeah, it'll go full screen like this, but you'll see this little notch right here where you can kind of expand it the way you want, make it smaller, etc. So we're gonna put it to like that size for now. We're gonna put it right there so it matches up, and then we'll hit Lift. Sometimes it gets a little tricky here, but you'll just go here. Okay, so we'll drag it, and I like to put Lift closer to me, because Lyft doesn't have like a landscape app like Uber. Like I can put Uber full screen no problem, but with Lyft I can't do that. It just goes to max, like, oh, let's not go online, but like it only goes like that big. It'll just go adjust. But anyways, let's put it back to full screen or split screen, and then you can kind of just customize it a little bit here. And I've noticed with a new update, it kind of overlaps a little bit. To kind of fix that, you'll just hit that little I don't know what this is called, but just make it a little bigger, and you see how it like slides. You can like slide it the way you want. I wish it didn't have to be like this way on iPad, but this is like the cleanest way to do it and the best way to do it. So yeah, I would just do it. But you can like slide it wherever you want it to be. You could also kind of do it like this, but this is where it kind of like overlaps. You can't, like, see, if you want to like line it up completely, it just like goes a little bit that way. But to fix that, yeah, you just scroll this little thing just like gently wherever you want to put it, for like the little increments you want to change it in, if that makes sense. And then yeah, you can just go ahead, go online there, and go online here, and you should be able to use both of them efficiently. You can still use whatever other apps you want. But with Stage Manager, it's normally split screen. Oh, okay, and there's a little thing right here. I didn't know. Right in between. Yeah, you can adjust it all you want. As you can see, sometimes it gets a little finicky, but this is how I have done split screen on both. And now let's try the mirrored apps. Let's see how that works. And I'll show you just how different it is. A lot of people prefer the windowed apps, only because you can have more stuff up. So I'll have, let's put on just like settings as well. You see how I have Uber. I can put this little screen here. It's a little bit more customizable, but see, I have split screen here and I have a third app. So yeah, you can just customize it any way you want. And let's see if this changes at all here. See, okay, yeah, it's still like the same thing as like Stage Manager. So honestly, when you're using the multitask and to get to this screen, you'll want to hold it, either Stage Manager or windowed apps. My preference would be windowed apps, because you could have even more apps in the background. Like if I want to use maps, see if I can make it any smaller. See, if I want like a little tiny app, maps, I can have a little tiny maps as soon as it lets me drag it. Yes, see, if I really want to, I could have a mini apps right there, or maps, and just do that. So I could have maps here, Uber on, Lyft on, and yeah. I hope this was a clear instruction. If you guys have any questions at all, let me know. But this is for the new update. This is a 13-inch iPad. If you guys want to get these mounts, it is right in the comments. So I'll just drop the link there. And if you guys want the full list of like this charger right here, like I have it hidden behind the back, and the magnetic plates in the back, that will be on my YouTube link. Like, you have to go into my profile here. You have to go into my profile, and you'll just hit that Amazon link right there in my profile, and just go to default, and it'll bring up the entire list right there. So again, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. If you watched all the way through and this helped you, please leave a comment, like, subscribe, support the channel. That would be much appreciated. And that is it, you guys. Again, thank you guys for watching. Take care.